We'll have to redo that intro. Well, here's to the end of 2020. It's been a wild and crazy year. It's actually been a really good year for us, despite everything. This video actually started off as what we called the hurricane video. We went out and got video footage of the damage that was caused by the hurricane. But in doing so, what we actually saw was how the community came together. What was it like when the water came up?
Yeah, so we were home and we got about 3 to 4 feet of water actually that came over the back end. We were watching it for a while and we were praying that it didn't, but it did. Honestly, it was our first time, so we were super scared.
Yeah.
I didn't know what to do.
Sure.
Like I said, everything started to float. Things that I think would float started floating, so it was pretty crazy. And there's a lot of cleanup. But we got through it in a couple days, and so we just kind of all rallied together. This community is amazing because the outpouring was just fantastic.
Whispers you've been set free.
We were able to get out into the community the very next day, start helping friends clean up, start going around and seeing, what workers need waters on the island, trying to offer services as far as food, people that are hungry on the island. We did go through the kitchen and cook off some items and donate those to families that lost that day. Really, it was just about pulling together as a community. And Pelican's Perch is a big part of the community, but myself and my husband and our team is what makes the Pelican's Perch so special. So without our team helping the community, we probably wouldn't have all gotten back on our feet so fast.
Oh, and as always, in 2021, stay salty. That's a wrap.
Who's that? Is that Mama? Yeah. Look who it is.
Where you at?
Are you